Hello students, welcome back. So earlier we have discussed about obesity. Now we'll be discussing about diabetes. Diabetes beta is a very big problem which is also there in this world. It's a very dangerous disease, we can say. But people are surviving with diabetes with having full control on their diet, on their lifestyle. ठीक है, many people were known to me, they are known to me, they had the problem of diabetes at the age of 40, but they lived happily life at the up to the age of 86 or 87, but they were having full control on their diet and they were following a very good schedule. They were exercising also, they were taking healthy diet also, everything. ठीक है जी, they were मतलब कि whatever doctors tell them, or you have to take this medicine and all that, that depends on the disciplined life, कि what kind of disciplined life you are having. Otherwise diabetes is such a disease. एक जिਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ termite ਘੁਣ, termite eats this wood, ਉਵੇਂ ਸਰੀਰ ਨੂੰ it eats body. ਹਾਰਟ ਖਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਕਿਡਨੀਜ਼ ਖਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਬਲੱਡ ਨੂੰ ਖਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਖਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ. So it might be the person gains this type of problem, diabetes, from heredity also. But due to his sedentary lifestyle, bad eating habits, not doing exercise, it generally the person inherits also from his parents, but he generally gets from his sedentary lifestyle also. So I have told you this thing ki it is like a termite in the body. Where a termite syok, termite, it eats wood in your house. Same, diabetes eats your body. फिर kidneys fail हो जानी. If you are having diabetes, if any person, then you might be knowing कि किसी ने elderly अपने घर दे विच है, तो देखो कितनी problems आती हैं, ठीक है. So diabetes is the most common lifestyle disease worldwide. Yoga plays a vital role to control to prevent a disease by different asanas. Diabetes is a disease in which blood glucose, blood sugar level is too high. It is the disease in which blood sugar level becomes too high inside the body. Most of what we eat is broken down into glucose. Glucose is a form of sugar in the blood. It is the principal source of fuel for the bodies. When our food is digested, glucose makes its way into bloodstream. Our cells use the glucose for energy and growth. However, glucose cannot enter your cells with insulin being present. Insulin makes it possible for our cells to make it in glucose. Insulin is a hormone that is produced by pancreas. After eating, the pancreas automatically releases the adequate amount of insulin to move the glucose present in our blood into cells. As soon as glucose enters the cell, blood glucose levels drops. But due to this any problem, if a body stop producing insulin in proper amount, or they are creating in a particular amount, but you are eating more. Some people are very fit, they can eat anything, or they are eating anything. जिन्ना मर्जी मिठा खाई चलो. It depends on heredity also. Like people living in Haryana, उन्हां दी genes बड़ियां मजबूत हैं, वो मोटे ही नहीं होंदे जल्दी. But in Punjab, people are getting obesity and these kind of problems very easily. क्योंकि lifestyle बहुत है. I have told you earlier also. Earlier people used to go to gym for strengthening. और लोग weight घटाने जाते हैं because they are suffering from these kind of problems. If they are having diabetes and all that, they are suffering from these types of problems. ठीक है? So diabetes can be classified into following types: where there is no production of insulin, where the pancreas does not produce insulin. ठीक, एक तो है कि इंसुलिन बन ही नहीं रहा, इंसुलिन इज नॉट प्रोड्यूस बाय बॉडी पैनक्रियाज. एक है कहते हैं कि डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस, एक बना नहीं रहा कि बनया ही नहीं, बनता ही नहीं. सो इट डजंट मीन that diabetes occurs from that age of 50. It can occur in the age of 3 also. Small kids are also having this problem. 10 साल की उम्र च, but they are not, sometimes they can't live a healthy and good life for entire. ठीक है जी. life. So you should exercise a lot and avoid proper food so that you can avoid this. Gest- Gestational diabetes, which occurs during pregnancy but resolved after baby is delivered. Because the pressure is there during time of pregnancy on pancreas, gallbladder and everything. Okay? So after that, when the baby is delivered, it automatically disappears. Next is, what are the preventions of diabetes? Okay, how can you prevent yourself from diabetes? First point is avoid rich carbohydrate food. It is the same thing which is I've told you in obesity also. Avoid rich carbohydrate food. कि ज़्यादा carbohydrates चपाती वगैरह वाला food, bread वगैरह कट खाओ. Only eat healthy food which is required by the body. Don't overeat. Maintain healthy weight. The same thing we have discussed in obesity. Your weight should be according to your height. If your weight is more than your height, then means you will be falling in the prey of diabetes also. Next day, eating healthy foods. Eat only healthy food. If fruits खाओ, घर दियां चीज़ां खाओ, बाहर बहुत घट खाओ जरूर पर घट खाओ. The people who are taking only homemade food, ਹੁਣ देखो 100 दिन हो गया जबकि 100 दिन ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰਲਾ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ, means problem आई भी नहीं. ਹੈਲਥ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਘੱਟ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ. ਦੇਖੋ ਕੀ ਉਥੋਂ ਯੂ ਮਾਈਟ ਹੈਵ ਅਬਜ਼ਰਵਡ, ਤੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟਿੱਕੀਆਂ, ਭੱਲੇ, ਤਲੀਆਂ, ਠੰਡੇ ਵੱਠੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਖਾਣੀਆਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਤੀਆਂ, ਐਂਡ ਨਾਓ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਨਾਟ ਫੇਸਿੰਗ ਐਨੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ. ਈਟਿੰਗ ਹੈਲਦੀ ਫੂਡ, ਯੂ ਮਸਟ ਈਟ ਹੈਲਦੀ ਐਂਡ ਹੋਮ ਕੁਕਡ ਫੂਡ. ਤੇ ਬਾਸਾ ਫੂਡ ਨਾ ਖਾਓ, ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਨਾ ਖਾਓ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਰੈਗੂਲਰ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ very important for curing of diabetes. You must go for regular exercise. सैर करो, 3 times a week regularly करो. Yoga asanas karo. There are many yoga asanas. These 4 asanas are mentioned in your book also. If you will adopt these asanas in your daily routine or these program in daily routine, you can help yourself to avoid diabetes. Next is reduce the intake of saturated fat. Reduce the intake of saturated fat if you want to prevent diabetes. 2, indeed take saturated fat in more amount if it leads to more weight or obesity, which ultimately enhances chances of occurring diabetes. Kyo वगैरह कटा दो. Don't eat that much of pure ghee than required. खुश्क रोटी खानी शुरू करो if you are having overweight and all this. If you are running regularly, exercise, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾੜਾ ਮੋਟਾ ਘਿਓ ਖਾ ਵੀ ਸਕਦੇ. But if you are having problem from childhood or you know that something is there in your heredity, this kind of problem, you have to keep yourself fit from earlier age only. So next is this, we have discussed about how we can prevent diabetes, how can we keep diabetes away from your body. Next is asanas for cure diabetes. Same as simple obesity, there are 4 asanas given in your book, like what Bhujangasana, this cobra shape, Paschimottanasana, Pavan Muktasana, and Ardha Masthendrasana. These are the asanas which are very helpful in controlling diabetes. You should, the people, those who are suffering from diabetes or are fit also, they should practice these types of asanas regularly. For it's a prevention also, cure also. This is how to cure diabetes. If any person is suffering from diabetes and in your house, you can tell them that you should perform these 4 asanas regularly. ठीक है. Exercise, बड़ा warm up करो body and avoid practice these asanas. झटका नहीं मारना, हौली practice करते रहो. It will surely benefit. ठीक है. So we have discussed about benefits of diabetes and prevention of diabetes, and asanas which are helpful in curing diabetes. I'll repeat it. These are the 4 asanas: Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, and Pavan Muktasana, Ardha Masthendrasana. So you can, for the pictures only, these are very simple, only procedure is written. You have to sit, lie on the ground straight, with the chest downwards, and then you have to place your hands like at this place, and you have to lift your upper body up to a limit, and you have to stay there for 10 seconds and then calmly go down, and again after 10 seconds then again you have to repeat for 10 times or 20 times according to the level you are gaining. Same all the asanas you have to do. So we have discussed about diabetes today. So we'll meet in next topic. Okay? Thank you so much.